What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Hello and welcome to Sugar Fingers. Y'all see this little thing here? Well, this is the only nail lamp I have right now, but I do plan on purchasing another one. But if you're just getting started, I'll let you know these are so inexpensive. This one actually came with a kit. It's a LeFou, and it is one that was received with a Model 1's, more than likely, gel kit or something like that. This is a UV LED nail lamp, and it is tiny. It actually plugs in using a USB cable right here. But y'all know sometime this week or another I will be getting me a larger lamp, because this one is just so tiny you can't really fit all of your fingers under there. If you do, one may be sticking out, and it's really just for curing gel for one finger at a time kind of deal. So this is it. There is one similar to this one that's sold by McCart. I know it's like a 6-watt LED UV nail dryer curing lamp, 60-second timer on it with a USB cable on it as well, cord on it as well. So I'll link that one below if you're just looking just to get started for something inexpensive. I think these run anywhere from like $13.99, something like that, maybe $15 or so. But it's perfect if you're just wanting to try out something instead of investing in a $40 lamp. So this is it right here. I'm actually going to be using it in an upcoming video. I recently got some new gel polishes, and I want to see how well this one cures and see what we got. So it's a 60-second lamp. Let's just see how it works here. USB into the plug. Just gonna plug it in. Now, my least favorite part of this one is that these little legs just don't seem to stand up when I want them to. So that can mess up your nails if you touch it too hard or something, but it just turns on right here, and that's how you do that. So very simple with that. Yep, that is it. Just pop it on like so. And it turns right off by itself in 60 seconds. I'm just going to take a nail polish here and just see how well it will cure it. So I'll put a nice little blob of some gel polish right there. I'm going to slide it right into the lamp, and we'll turn it on, and we'll time elapse it to see how well it actually cures that. Okay. And it is done, and that is what she looks like, and it's cured. Yeah, she is cured for sure. And then you just put your top coat on, etc. So I put that on a little thick, but it actually is cured, so it doesn't rub off or anything. So that is great. That will work perfect for anyone who wants one of these little lamps. It should not be a problem in curing your gel nail polish. They're just so tiny and not real sturdy, so be aware of that. And most people just pick them up and do them like this and da-da-da-da-da and let it cure it. So, or just one finger at a time, you know, so forth and so on, like so. But I just want to share that with y'all. I will have the link to the McCart one. I didn't find one sold separately by LeFou. But if you actually buy any of the kits, you will definitely find these smaller little lamps in there, and they work, of course. But again, not real sturdy, not real long lasting, not real durable. We did not use this one a whole lot, so that's why it's still in good working condition. But I will be using it from time to time, but I am definitely going to invest into a larger lamp as well. But that is it. That's my take on these smaller lamps. And again, they do work, but just make sure that you be prepared after a while to purchase another one. And again, they're not real sturdy. I'm your girl Sweet Angel signing out for now. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. And thanks again for visiting Sugar Fingers. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.